Did you know you need 3 servings of dairy a day, unless you're between age 9 and 18, and then you need 5. So I have got the perfect recipe for you. This smoothie bowl is cool and creamy and delicious, and I'm going to show you how simple it is to make. We're going to start with our blender. Into that, 1 banana. Banana is one of those fruits that adds creaminess to anything that you're making, as well as the milk. 1 banana, break it up. Next up, for a smoothie bowl, we need it to be frozen. We're going to use frozen fruit. I love frozen strawberries, or you could use frozen raspberries or mixed berries, or even mango and passion fruit. Next up, our milk. This is what makes it creamy and delicious. Lid on. Let's blitz. Okay, let's check. Careful opening. Oh, so fresh, so creamy, so delicious. We're going to pour it into our bowl. Now, for the fun part, let's put some toppings on. I like a little bit of coconut. Couple of little seeds. And some strawberries. There you have your gorgeous, creamy, cool smoothie bowl.